How to use Bank of America Travel Rewards. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to check the travel rewards for the Bank of America, you can first check all the requisites for the travel rewards. There is a PDF file for Bank of America Travel Rewards program rules. You can check all the details from this program rules such as rewards at the glance, how to get the rewards, basic terms and definitions, and much more. So let's see how can we use the reward points. So you can redeem points for a statement credit in US dollars to offset qualifying travel purchase. For that, you have to go to Bank of America and log in into your account. Once that is done, you can go to the rewards section and then redeem your points for the travel credit for the eligible ones. But for that, the redeem points for travel statement credit must be issued in US dollars to offset qualifying travel purchases. Only eligible travel purchases can be found on the site. So the redemption value of your points is 1%, that is 2500 points for $25 statement travel credit card. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.